So right, good morning. We're on the way to Evangelista. Because yesterday I found out that yung rubbing ko, hindi lang sa fender liner, meron din ako onti sa fender. So I will try to have that fixed by fitting 3mm spacers instead of 5mm. Because right now I have an aggressive fitment sa front with plus 35 na offset and 5mm. Pero it has a -2 camber made by Classical Works. So shoutouts to Osh. Pero yun nga, the rub is just too much. So I will have to compromise and go back to 3mm spacers instead of 5mm. But that's good morning. So yeah, that's part of the trade-off, having a fitment na hindi ka aya-aya sa mama mo. Disapprove ang papa mo, ayaw ng magulang mo. Pero yeah, this is where the car is sitting right now. So ayun, sakto no. As you can see, it has minimal poke. Pero ang goal ko talaga was super flush siya sa fender, pero poke siya sa ilalim. So that was my goal. Arguably, hindi siya flush kasi if you're looking from this perspective, nakapoke siya. Pero here's the trade-off of what I did. So these were parts of my tires. So I kind of fucked up my flevas. But now I just have to reap what I sow and do what I can do. Since daily driven yung car natin, we can't go for having fuck-ups like this all the time. And considering na wala tayong fender roll, kasi hindi na ma-fender roll yung ganito kanipis, manipis talaga siya guys. As you can see, yan na yan. And yung aking fender liner ay tumatama din. So I'll have to deal with that also. But I really love these tires. I can't fuck it up more. Let's prioritize function over form this time. Sadly. So hopefully, oops, that's wrong. Hopefully marinig niyo yung wapish. Try natin. That's what my accent does. Okay, isa pa, sana marinig niyo yung wapish. People get scared when they hear that because sobrang hina ng accent ko sa sound. Wala akong exhaust right now and all I have is the blow-off valve, which is essentially useless diesel vehicle. But I got the vehicle like this, so I'm enjoying it as is. But I can feel the power loss of the blow-off valve. In a realistic sense, it's giving me more power loss than gain. Pupunta pala tayo sa GSST Auto Repairs Shop, which is ang auto repairs na pinupuntahan ko, or generally my mechanics here in Makati. They're responsible for every maintenance that I do for my Hyundai Accent. So big shoutouts to them. They're an up and coming auto repairs shop with mechanics who used to work for Isuzu, and sobrang dami nila dun with the minimal space, like maximum 3-4 cars, but they work hand in hand. So if you guys are looking for a shop that can fix your car at a reasonable price, that's GSST Auto Repairs. So you can search for them sa inyong Waze or sa Google Maps. The address is 2246 Marconi Street. So this is how the car sits right now. See, sobrang aggressive niya for something that has a finger gap, diba? Medyo aggressive siya. And ito yung shop, 2246 Marconi, that's GSST Auto Repairs. And we have some cars being repaired right now. As you can see, naka-Isuzu shirt sila kasi dati silang Isuzu. And we have a Honda Civic FD right here being fixed. Kukunin na din daw ng may-ari mamaya. Kumusta? Ito si Boss Sherwin. Isa siya sa may-ari ng shop. Hello! So papagawa ko rin ngayon. Nakabili ako ng clip sa Shopee kasi eto, hindi na nagpa-flash ever. So I assume sira na yung clip. So I was able to buy a 300 peso left and right clip sa loob nito. Kasi ayoko yung may ganito dito eh. Yung chuk! Ganun. Like, I think it looks horrible. Sorry to those people who use that. So ngayon, linalagay ni Boss Archie o tinatanggal yung lumang clip. Ilalagay yung clip na nabili natin sa Shopee. So ito yung Hilux. Nagulat ako. Hilux ng owner ng FD. Grabe naman. Orig Cosmis, lower dream map, LSD na lang daw hinaantay. Grabe. Dalawa ang kanyang itim na kotse. So magkano na nagastos natin sa Hilux siya sa FD? Di na. Boss Hans, Boss Jico. Binos ko sarili ko. Jico lang pala, Jico lang. So yan mga nagpapabudol. And yet again, sabi ko nga, reasonable yung price dito sa GSST. So kung magpapagawa kayo, may mga basic repairs kayo. Ito si Boss Gaspar. Hi Boss Gaspar! So sabi ni Boss Hans, pop the hood daw tayo. Ano yung F55? F55. Eh ang tuloy na ng F44.
Eh syempre, mabibidin ka rin sa F44 eh. Diretso 55 na. Naggastusan na lang.
Eh di nagra-rock and roll katawan mo dito.
Sa una, pero masasabi ka na lang din. Wala, pambingin na. Para iwas ako.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda. So ngayon, linapat na. Ayan, lapat na. Thanks to Shopee. 300 pesos lang. Naka 3mm na siya. So,
Paling
pantay, mas pantay. Arguably mas pantay.
ka ako.
So yun, pupunta tayo Evangelista, magpapa-align. Hopefully, payag sila na warranty pa din. Pag hindi, babalik tayo dito kay Boss Mario tayo. So rub-wise, no? Rub-wise, mas nararamdaman ko na agad na better talaga yung 3mm. So ayun, nandito na tayo sa wheelhouse. Magpapa-align tayo. Hopefully, they'll agree to have my car aligned under warranty. Usually, sa Zidcar ako nagpapa-align, pero kasi ang layo. Galing sa Makati, eh, hindi na ako ganun kasipag. So this is wheelhouse. Sa Evangelista naman. Malapit lang ding Marconi. So ina-align na right now. Here is the total tow right now. So okay na yan, na-align nila. Sobrang bilis magtrabaho ni Boss Windsor. So babalik tayong GSST para antayin si Lawrence. Basta yan, pagtitripan na namin yung fender liner. Tapos tumayo ng Makati galing QC. Muning. Ito yung Vios. Super fast. Speed 10 na Vios. Hindi, pero legit, ganda ng tunog. Fitment by Classical Valenzuela. Owner. Ang t-shirt sponsored by Ewanab. Siraan series. Hinihit ganda ni Lawrence.
Pauwi, wala ka ng liner.
Hopefully, this can solve the problem nung rubbing. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. Laser focus. Sira ni Commands.
Mamaya wala ka ng pende. Kamay ko lang.
Ay, ang basa mo naman, idol. So right now, we did all we could. Medyo naubos na namin. So sana hindi na ako mag-rub. And ang trippings ngayon, sinaksak yung SA3R sa Vios para makita niya yung fitment ng 20550. And nade-demonyo na talaga siya. So ano, 16s na talaga? Tri-spoke. Mahal. So ayun, dumating na kami. Food trip lang kami mabilis. Jason, Lawrence, kakain kami Jolly Jeep. So ngayon, andito kami sa mga Jolly Jeep, kakain kami. Ayan, may mga ulam dyan. Ano Loren, satisfied day?
All good naman.
All goods, all goods, all goods. Kakain na kami guys. Tapos,
Mag-iipon na ako 60k guys. Kailangan na.
okay guys, paalam. See you on the next one.